Hello my beautiful glam queens! Today we are going to look at the hair and makeup at the Emmys. And if you are new here, hello, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. Welcome, welcome. First I want to mention that I do post a hairstylist and makeup artist Instagram handles right here in case I mispronounce their names. You can clearly see it. And let's get into it. First one up, Camila Morrone, and her hairstylist is Bryce Scarlett and makeup artist Mary Phillips. Now let's get into what Mary Phillips used. She used NARS, starting off with Laguna Bronzing Cream in Laguna 2, then Radiant Creamy Concealer in Creme Brulee, and Custard and Ginger. Then Light Reflecting Advanced Skincare Foundation in Salzburg, DeVille, and Vienna. Afterglow Liquid Blush in Dolce Vita and Behave, and Light Reflecting Setting Powder Pressed. Then Blush in Dominate, Behave, and Bumpy Ride. Laguna Bronzing Powder in Laguna 2 and 3, then the Multiple Stick in Copacabana. Then Afterglow Irresistible Eyeshadow Palette in Magnetism and Midnight. Now we have High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner in Via Veneto and Last Frontier. And of course, Climax Mascara. For the brows, we have Brow Perfector in Como Medium Brown. On the lips, we have Precision Lip Liner in Morocco. Then Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick in Voyeur. Now as for the hair, all he used was Dry Bar. Next we have is Quinta Brunson. Woo! Makeup artist is Keisha Lassane and hairstylist Alexander Armand. Now for the makeup, she used Beauty Blender. Let's get started. Boost Firming and Smoothing Peptide Primer. Then Bounce Always On Radiant Skin Tint in Deep 2. Then Bounce Magic Fit Creamy Bronzer and Highlighter Duo in Deep Bronze and Chocolate. Then Bounce Soft Focus Gemstone Setting Powder in Topaz and Canary. And Liquid Whipped Cream Blush in Blissful Berry and Flirty Rose. Then Boost 4-in-1 Firming Peptide Setting Spray. Now getting into the hair, hairstylist Alexander used a brand by Taraji! Wow! I didn't even know she had a brand, and now we know. Now the brand is called TPH by Taraji, and he used Slick as the first product. Then Keep It Fresh Wig and Hair Refresher Spray and Extensions by Parfait. Now our next contestant on the silver carpet. It is Poppy Princess Poppy. She was a contestant on RuPaul. Makeup artist is G Hammer 08, and he used prosthetics. They are Witch Hag prosthetics from RBFX Prosthetics, purchased through Motion Picture FX Company. Then sculpted by Wayne Anderson Designs, Saiko Yamazaki, 1985, and Wen's Hen Art. The makeup that was used is from PPI Premier Products, Ben Nye Makeup, love Ben Nye, and Krylon. Now I do have to say, this makeup got everybody's attention. Most definitely got my attention. I was like, who is that? I had to find out who it was. Okay, we're moving on. It was amazing. Now we have Taraji P. Henson herself. Yes. Oh, she looks so good on the silver carpet. Hairstylist was T.Y.M. Wallace Hair. And what was used? L'Oreal Paris. First up, Everpure 21-in-1. Wow. Color Carrying Spray Leave-In. Then Magic Root Cover Up, of course, to cover up the grays. And blend the natural hair and extensions all together. Now for the hairspray, Elnett Satin Extra Strong Hold Hairspray. And of course she had to use her own products. We have TPH's Slick, then TPH Keep Shining Dry Oil Mist. Now for tools, we have GHD, Chronos, Flat Iron. Then Hidden Crown V Clip Extensions. Okay, we're going to move on. So we have Beatrice Granno next. C. Gonzalez Beauty is the makeup artist. And hairstylist Rena Calhoun. Olaplex was used for the hair. And she used Armani. Ooh. Starting off with Luminous Silk Concealer, 5 Light Neutral. Then Luminous Silk Foundation, 5 Light Neutral. And 5.1 Light to Medium. Then Luminous Silk Glow Liquid Bronzer, 90 in Light. And Fluid Sheer Glow Enhancer, 5 Coral and 7 Light Pink. Then Luminous Silk Glow Blush, 11 in Love. And Luminous Silk Glow Setting Powder, 2 and 5.5. Then Fluid Sheer Glow Enhancer, 7 Light Pink. Getting to the lips, which is my favorite part of this makeup look. Matches with the flowers on the top. Love it. We have Lip Power Long Lasting Matte Lipstick 400 and Lip Power New Longwear Satin, also known as Vivid Color, Lipstick 400. Now Eyes to Kill Classico Mascara. Eye Tint Long Lasting Liquid Eyeshadow, 18 Light Nude and 99 Midnight. Then Smooth Silk Eye Pencil in 4. Now for the lashes. Lash Extensions Kit in 10mm and 12mm. Now we have Selena Gomez. I love the color lipstick. Okay, makeup artist is Han Van Gogh and hairstylist Marissa Moreno. Now for the hair, we don't have much, but we do know that she used Tangle Teaser. Now for the makeup, all we have is the lipstick. But the lipstick is all we need for this look. Oh yes, love it. He used Rare Beauty Kind Words Matte Lip Liner in Strong Rich Chocolate Brown. Then Kind Words Matte Lipstick, Strong and Limited Edition, Sally, Devoted. Limited Edition. Okay, that's okay. Now we do have a lash map from Lashify. So he used B8, B10, D10, D10, then D12. And then he stacked C12 on the outer upper corner for extra volume. Okay, we're moving on. Now we have Pedro Pascal. Very nice, lovely, lovely. Coco All Rich, hairstylist and groomer. Now, of course, she did use some skincare on his face. Gotta keep that nice and hydrated. Getting into the products, we have L'Eau Micellaire in Anti-Pollution Micellar Cleansing Water. Next, Supplimage Leçons Fondamentales Yeux Eye Serum. Then Supplimage Leçons Fondamentales Ultimate Redefining Concentrate. And Le Gel Sourcil Longwear Eyebrow Gel in 350 Transparent. And Boy de Chanel Lip Balm. Pretty good. Next we have Aubrey Plaza, looking interesting that night. We have hairstylist Mark Townsend, 1, and makeup artist Kathy Young. I'm going to get into the hair first on this one, because I feel like it. He used Olaplex, number 7, 6, and Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. Now for the makeup. Okay, so we have L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation in N3 Light Medium. Then True Match Concealer in N3 Fair Light Neutral. And True Match Super Blendable Powder in C3 Creamy Natural. Then Brow Stylist Definer Mechanical Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil in Brunette. Infallible 24-Hour Eyeshadow in Bronze Taupe and Eternal Sunshine. Lovely. Then Infallible Grip Mechanical Gel Eyeliner in Brown Denim. And Infallible Grip Precision Felt Waterproof Eyeliner in Black. Panorama Washable Mascara in Blackest Black 701. Infallible up to 24-hour Fresh Wear Soft Matte Blush in Confident Pink. Infallible up to 24-hour Fresh Wear Soft Matte Bronzer in Light Medium. And True Match Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer in Light. And Color Rich Intense Volume Matte Lipstick in Worth It. Because you're worth it. Okay, next it is Sheryl Lee Ralph. She looked pretty good this night. Kill Pretty is the makeup artist and hairstylist Sharif Poston. Getting to the makeup, we have Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation 356 and Super Stay Up to 24 Hours Hybrid Powder Foundation 340, 332, and 360. An Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer in 141. Then Fit Me Blush Berry. Then Color Sensational Made for All Lipstick, Mauve for me. Then Tattoo Studio Ink Pen Eyeliner Makeup, black. Then Color Tattoo Eye Sticks Up to 24-Hour Wear Shadow Liner Primer, I Am Conventional. And Tattoo Studio Smoky Gel Pencil Eyeliner Eye Makeup in Smoky Black. Now, Express Brow Ultra Slim Defining Eyebrow Pencil in Black Brown. And Lash Sensational Sky High Waterproof Mascara, very black. She looks gorgeous that night. So gorgeous. I love it. Now for the hair, he used R&Co. First product, Grasp Intense Hold Shaping Balm and Hot Spell Thermal Tech Blowout Balm 450 Fahrenheit Heat Protection. Wow. Think I want to try that one. And Dark Pomade Stick. Next, Vicious Stronghold Flexible Hairspray. It did have a pretty good hold. I thought she looked so lovely this night. One of my favorite looks down the silver carpet. Absolutely amazing. Now we have one of my favorite actresses next, Juno Temple. Oh, love her. Okay, hairstylist is Mara Rozak and makeup artist Kara Yoshimoto. Boah. Now for the makeup we have Chanel. Le Beige Healthy Winter Glow Primer in Light Copper. And Lumiere Graphique Exclusive Creation Eyeshadow Palette. Then Stilo Ombre E Contour in 12 Contour Clair. Then Inimitable Mascara Volume, Length, Curl, Separation in 30 Noir Brown. Then Stilo Sourcil Waterproof Defining Longwear Eyebrow Pencil in 806 Blonde Tundra. And Le Beige Healthy Winter Glow Blush in Rose Polaire. And last, Rouge Cocoa Balm Hydrating Beautifying Tinted Lip Balm Buildable Color in 936 Chilling Pink. Now for the hair. Rose Foundation Shampoo and Conditioner, Rose Milk Hair Serum, and Rose Santa Lucia Styling Oil. Then Root Lift Spray and Bellamy Hair Clips. Moving on to Jessica Chastain. Ooh. Green was in for the silver carpet. Interesting. Christopher Buckle is the makeup artist and Renato Campora is the hairstylist. So Christopher used Charlotte Tilbury. We have Beautiful Skin Foundation in Too Warm. Then Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer in Too Fair. Then Airbrush Flawless Finish in One Fair. And Hollywood Contour Wand in Light Medium. And Matte Beauty Blush Wand in Pillow Talk Pink Pop. Then Hollywood Flawless Filter in Too Fair. Next for the brow. Brow Lift in Soft Brown. And Luxury Palette, The Sophisticate. And Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara. Love it. Now, for the lips. We have Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. And KISSING lipstick. New shade coming soon. Wow. New shade. So we don't know. But I want to know. Come on. Okay, then Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Now Renato Campora used Hair Ritual by Sicily. And that's all we know. And this is my last celebrity down the silver carpet. Now, for my honorable mentions. So we're starting off with the cast from The Martin Show. One of my favorite shows. Used to watch this all the time. They all looked amazing that night. Oh my gosh. Super excited to see all of them. They look great. Now, of course, looking at Martin. Looking like Martin. Then Carl, who went with a hat. Very interesting. And Tisha's hair. So long, so curly, so beautiful. I love it. Side swept bangs. Perfect. And Tashina, who also had a hat that night down the silver carpet. I'm so glad she took it off because she had amazing hair. I think it was one of my favorite hairstyles. It was like a curly faux hawk into a ponytail with lots of voluptuous curls in that ponytail. Love it. Next we have Lizzie Kaplan. Hairstylist is Marcus R. Francis and he used V2 Paris. Then makeup artist Jenna Christina used Maybelline, a classic red lipstick and classic updo. Lovely. Next, we have Amber Midthunder. Oh, I like this one. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous hairstyle. Kat Thompson is the hairstylist, but we're here to talk about the custom hairpiece that is in her hair. Oh yes, I like it. Made by Sota Scoey Designs. I absolutely love how they did it, and the fact that it was custom made for this particular silver carpet is amazing, and it made her look so gorgeous that night. Love it. And that's it. That's all I have down the silver carpet. Thank you for joining me, everybody. It was a pleasure looking at all these looks. It was a lot. It was so fun. It was hard to narrow down which ones I really wanted to talk about. I think these were the top celebrities that I had to talk about for their hair and makeup. They were absolutely perfection. What do you guys think though? Let me know in the comments below. What were your favorite looks from that night? I would like to know. Okay, thank you guys for joining me. I will see you guys soon. Keep on loving that makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah, okay. Bye. If you're still here at the end of the video, do I have news for you? I couldn't wait. I looked up Charlotte Tilbury on Instagram, and yes, they debuted or mentioned the lipstick that she was wearing. Let's see, I believe it is called, it just says, the beautiful Jessica Chastain wore new Icon Baby. I believe that's her name. Inspired by my darling friend, the iconic Kate Moss. It is the ultimate 90s supermodel nude. Ooh, exciting. And it says here that it is launching January 23rd, 2024. So close. As you can see, I couldn't get my shirt back on. Okay, bye.